How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, GoPro is approaching their expected announcement date of the new Hero 10. But that's not all they could be announcing. We've received reports that there could be a new session-like camera. Reports from field testing of the new GoPro Hero 10 say there's not going to be a detachable screen and there's not going to be a dual lens model. Sorry. At least not for this generation anyway. But what you can expect are some new lens modifications for the GoPro Hero 10, and they may fit the Hero 9 as well. But the biggest improvement for the GoPro Hero 10 is that new processor. Now all that functionality will work flawlessly. But what have we been missing? A session. We've been taking care of and refurbishing our sessions for years just to make them last just a little longer. And now, just in time, GoPro could be announcing the new Session 10. It's rumored that the specs of the new Session will be similar to that of the GoPro Hero 8. It's very likely that the form factor will change to include a removable battery, and I have recommended that when the dual lens GoPro comes out, there be a dual lens Session. It wouldn't be that hard to form factor a case for it either. But since the overall goal of the Session is to be light, I wouldn't mind if they overlooked my recommendation. But needless to say, we're all excited for GoPro's announcement of the GoPro Hero 10 and the Session X coming up in September. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.